Hi there, my name is Lawrence, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable the Group Policy Editor in Windows 10 and 11 Home Edition. If you're using Windows 10 or 11, you're probably watching this video and wondering why you don't have the Group Policy Editor on your operating system. By default, the Home Edition of Windows 10 and 11 doesn't come with the Group Policy Editor application. To enable it, you'll want to go into the Windows Start bar and type in Notepad and click on the Notepad application to open it up. Once you've opened up Notepad, click on the link in this video's description and it should take you to this page. Once you've arrived on this page, highlight and copy all of the text from line 1 to 8. Now, paste all of the text into Notepad. If you're wondering what this text is, it's basically a command that we're going to use which will enable the Group Policy Editor in Windows. Now, go to the File menu header in Notepad and click on the Save As menu option. When the Save As dialog window opens up, select your desktop as the destination folder, and then for the file name, call it Enable Group Policy Editor.bat and click on the Save button. Now that the file has saved, right-click on the file and select the Run as Administrator option from the context menu. A UAC prompt window will now display. Click on the Yes button. The command prompt application will now open up, and the command we saved in the Notepad file will now run and install the required files needed to enable the Group Policy Editor application. This process can either take anywhere from 2 minutes to 10 minutes, depending on your computer and the version it's on. Once the installation process is completed, you'll be presented with a message that says, "Press any key to continue." Once you press a key on your keyboard, Command Prompt will automatically close. Now you'll be able to go into the Windows Start bar, type in Group Policy Editor, and run the Group Policy Editor application. And it's as easy as that. Enabling the Group Policy Editor in Windows 10 and 11 Home Edition is an easy task to perform. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, then please subscribe.